8 months ago, something small arrived in the AI world. Most people did not notice it, but the engineers who understood it immediately realized this is going to change how AI talks the real world. The thing was the Model Context Protocol (MCP server). Today, MCP is becoming the foundation for AI agents, AI systems, DevOps automations, and everything where AI needs to interact with actual infrastructures. So, welcome back to my channel. I am Unnati Gupta, working as a DevOps architect, and today we will see about the MCP servers. I know people are waiting for the AI agent with MCP servers, but MCP server is the first requirement to build the AI agents. Firstly, see that, then we can proceed for the AI agents. Before moving forward, let's first understand the problem. When MCP was not exist, building AI agents felt like building 10 different bridges, and that never aligned. Every engineer created their own custom API wrappers, one for Prometheus, one for DB, one for Jenkins, and one for Kubernetes. At the end, one for logs also. Nothing was standardized, nothing was safe, nothing was predictable. AI model could generate text beautifully, but they could not access real system reliably. This was a gap. AI needed a standard language to talk to tools, just like computers uses drivers. How MCP come in picture? In late 2023, Anthropic asked a simple but powerful question. What if AI could access tools in the same structured, standard way? Not plugins, not hacks, not custom code, a protocol. And that's how MCP, Model Context Protocol, come in the picture. Secure, extensible, tool-based, resource-based, model-friendly, interpretable. Suddenly, AI could interact with systems not by guessing but by following a strict safe protocol, and that protocol is MCP server. Let's understand the MCP architecture. An MCP server uses four things. The first thing is tools, which is the function AI can call. For example, run this prompt QL query. The second is resources, static files or dynamic data that AI can read. The third one is prompts, reusable prompt template inside the server. The last and the fourth, notifications, which real-time events from your system. In simple way, I will say LLM is a thinker, MCP client is the message, and MCP server is gateway. What makes MCP server is so demanding? The first one, AI sees tools in structured format. Every action is permission controlled, no hidden or unsafe code execution. You can expose only what you want. You can build modular agents. You can connect with multiple agents. Now the point is how we will use in our project and what all are the benefits to use this. Imagine you are on call. Your CPU spikes, your pods keep restarting, logs are filling up. Normally you would jump between Grafana, Prometheus, Kubernetes and logs. But with MCP, your AI agents alerts you automatically. It reads Prometheus, check Kubernetes events, pull logs, store the alerts in a DB, fingerprint the issues, notifies only on new alerts. This was a fast and clean overview of MCP server, what it is and why it is exist and why it's matter. In the next video, we are not staying theoretical. We build a full MCP server, a complete real world project. You can deploy in your cluster. So get ready and yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Bye bye.